PDP! PDP aluguava. PDP ada buvari. Be walk zel madava de nadi. Anu pola me na bi na kon e ba ka van. Aso akwo Sofia. O fi akwo fe fi awi si oke. Eye asa serio. Asa serio. De de pon gene kare kama. Egi governor yo ole mahaka wo mo herio a se ja no zaga zaga be ya ke mena ka mi oni agbera ma se ya lo zaga ke o son black ma zaga bo we
PDP we should forgive and forget. Even if we can't forget, let's forgive for this period and move on. If it is not your turn today, it will be your turn tomorrow. That is how it is. We will not spoil everything simply because it couldn't be our turn today. Perhaps it will be your son's turn tomorrow, and you will enjoy it better. When we leave here today, let's go back home and talk to our people. Talk to them and let them know that PDP is the answer to Nigeria. They tested it, they tried it. Nigerians have decided to choose PDP again. Is Edo State going to be different?
I was with our leader, Senator Obaseki. He said, and I add, that he doesn't believe in fighting to finish. That in politics, you fight when necessary. But when the fight is over, you forget your position for the good of all. That those who have refused to join today are selfish and not politicians. They are not thinking or planning for our people.
I am glad that we still have this kind of audience in Esan land in Urugu. But today, I speak to you from PDP above Nigeria. I bring you good news. My friend of over 40 years in the political Nigeria, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar has already won the election. And he has asked me to ensure that our people, Esan people, that he loves so much, should be with him. Are you not going to be with him? We don't just want to win this election. We want to sweep the election. Everybody, every Esan man must give us support. And where we stand today is that we shall vote all our candidates from top to bottom. Atiku Abubakar for president, not be so. Clifford Odia for senator, not be so. And the rest, and the rest.
On the 25th of this month, we go Buga. On the 25th, we will vote PDP. On the 11th of March, what did they do that day? House of Assembly, we will vote PDP. Now, let's go to the issue. Somebody sing just now. They say you get money, you don't even fit take them from bank. Now, who calls them? APC. Who cause where we say our farmers know they fit go farm again? Who bring hunger to the land? Then somebody you come in the right senses, can't tell Una, say Una go vote APC. That person normal so. That means, and I'm gonna just listen. And they watch them one day for one of the states. They go campaign. He said he go continue with kidnapping. He said he go continue with hunger. If somebody they do something, another person can say he go consolidate on that thing. What be that? He go continue, Abi. So when I want vote them to continue hunger, if you the verse that day, come out and vote them out, so that peace go return. Our farmers still go farm, and prosperity will be in our land. Not so. Election now and politics is about development, and that is why today, whether you like it or not, it is clear that every step that Edo have taken is where Nigeria is going.
There's harmony in this land, and it's only when you have peace, when you have harmony, when you have unity in your heart, that you can respond that to the public. So today, we have decreed and declared that the glory of the Lord has descended on this land. There's absolute peace now in this land. With that at the back of our minds, we can walk confidently to the 25th of February. And do what? So, at the end on the 25th of February, I read 3 ballot papers here. 3. The first one, as the president in here. How can I vote as the president? Oh, yeah, Kara. The second ballot paper, as the Senate. How can I vote now? The third one is for the House of Representatives. How can I vote now? Oh, yeah, Kara. Then I want before on the 11th of March. I need only one ballot paper. We are voting for the House of Assembly. How can I vote now? Oh, yeah, Kara. Back at home, so. On the election over there now. How you say all the Marcos? Outside now, I walk home. Everybody, not follow Berana, ever, hear me. On over there, not follow Berana, ever, hear me. So, I must come out, we must make sure we come out massively and vote for PDP. PDP!
Rescue Nigeria!
Esan, yeah.
When I don't hear all the speakers today, when I don't hear them, they say Esan
land is PDP. And PDP is Esan land. The founding fathers of PDP in Nigeria and Edo State, most of them are from Esan land. Not be so? Chief Anthony Aneni, our father and the rock of PDP, he dey look us where he dey. We go fall in hand. Esan, Esan, Esan. How many times I call Una? Una be one, oh. You are one. Make Una not allow anybody come divide Una, oh. Don't let anybody come and divide you. Because the people when they cause problem for Esan land, they not come for Esan, oh. Be careful. Una see what we they do for Edo State. Una see the light one we don't bring company. If they come Esan. You are the best. Una know them. These are Edo best teachers. Esan land is known for education. The best educated people in Nigeria, many of them come from Esan land. That is why we know they play with education. We will continue to make sure all the schools in Esan land are good. We give them teachers and your children do well in school. I not come campaign because we don't win. It don't get one election when we don't do with me. When we lose, we go lose this one. God forbid. We don't win this election. Wait till I can't ask you now. They say how many votes we want use win. That's not the question. Not be whether we go win or not. How many votes we go take win them? Because now let PDP be the party for Esan land. Esan lucky. Because we get better people. We get better people when they represent Una. They know they do like this. Where they stand, now they stand. Tell you something about Senator Odia, one and not know. Senator Odia, as chairman of Senate Committee on Domestic Debt, local and foreign debt. Anytime we get problem with Ministry of Finance for Abuja, Naim they carry go me minister. Every money when we they get for Edo State to work, now this man I help us bring up. When they don't see the constituency project when they bring comments around, I never see. So now whoa. Make una help me bring them back. Una go bring them back. Make you carry go. They say make you carry go. So, on behalf of the people of Esan land and Edo State, I give this land to Senator Odia. Odia don't win. Make una make sure say the vote when it gets
Nobody don't get up before for Esan. There is a young man. One young man. When you say youth, these are real youth. This young man, I don't see people they work for House of Assembly. I never see like him before. When they write the history of the Edo State House of Assembly, this man's name will be on top. But I know why? The work, when 24 people not fit do, it leads 10 people to do the work. This is the hardest working speaker in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As this man tried for Edo State, he no good no we send and go Abuja. The Right Honorable Marcus Onobu, your people say, carry go Abuja. Esan, yeah! Esan, yeah! You know, say, Esan land is stand gidigba. Una get 2 heavy constituencies. No one come out. No one come out. So make I not worry about the tallest. Make I not worry about that. When I go deliver, Honorable Kodwa, they say they will deliver you. Can they go? Hey, they say, now the people want to work with me for House of Assembly. And I know say I trust Esan land. That last time, when I know it will be happen, when everybody they waka like say they get gather, Esan stand gidigba. They not shift. Some people, one senatorial district, they do 2/10 or 2/9. Another, I don't even know what they do. Esan stand 5/6. So I am giving this flag to OJ from Igwebe. Where? When I don't say, they say it gets some people. They say get people when they learn something. It gets some when they're born with the thing. For politics, it gets people when politics they their blood. And Esan West, when are lucky. Because the person where they go represent Esan West for Edo State House of Assembly, politics don't their blood already. When I know Honorable here, Esan West. Hello. Woman talk to woman. No woman. No man. When I know this woman, when I know say an activist, when I know say they defend poor people. When I don't say that my commissioner before, I know him. And somebody when I feel swear for, say go do the work. Because when you put in mind for something, they make sure say they get to the end. So, now me go give him this one. Say on behalf of Edo State, we are sending you, Mary Jacob, to represent Esan Office 2. Esan Central, yeah! Esan Central, yeah! Una no ifada! They say there's nothing like experience. Nothing like experience. One man, when I know say you don't get experience for House of Assembly. Now from my own local government. When I know my local government question land, when I don't say the road as I call, this is the man that is going to represent us from Esan Southwest. So ladies and gentlemen, PDP! PDP! God bless you!
Now today be our senatorial rally. PDP senatorial rally for Edo Central Senatorial District. So today the whole of Esan land, we come receive our governor, and then today we go present all the candidates we will get for this senatorial district. For this election where they come next month, next week and next month. Make you look by yourself now. I don't see you before as you dey follow us the waka. So you know all the places where we go. I think you don't see how everybody they receive us. Now so we dey take gauge how our chances be. Before now, it be like saying only Esan land, Naim PDP dey for Edo State. And as of today, it never change. Now Esan, Naim be headquarters of PDP for Edo, and it will remain so.
Today, now our rally, PDP mega rally, the rally of all rally, when people of Esan Northeast local government, and indeed, Edo Central Senatorial District, the people of Esan land, they organized to finally put sugar for the cake where the basis in the campaign process. As we are ready to vote for Atiku, as we are ready to vote for Okowa, as we are ready to vote for Senator Odia, as we are ready to vote for Honorable Emmanuel Koduwa, as we are ready to vote for other assembly candidates in the local government area. We pray at all times, make a PDP continue to grow from strength to strength. Everything you see today is small work. We are not saying fuel is scarce, because APC don't make fuel scarce. Because of that, we want to make sure say the new government go divide all this problem.